Down in the alley, bike check with the new frame. And Zach Wright's not here to do it, and we have no footage. So that's what I'm doing. We the people, unknown other specs frame besides 20.5 top tube, 13 something chainstay. Alright, other than the frame. Colt dehart, signature pivotal, stock pivotal, C-post, profile 180mm cranks, stolen thermalite plastic pedals, half link mechanic blue chain, demolition momentum tam walls, alienation black sheep rim laced to a mission left side 9-tooth cassette hub, sealed front eastern hub with a profile axle laced to an eastern Venus front rim, I think. Stock 8.25 bars. Width is unknown. Colts, Vans, grips. Stolen convict stem top load. Stolen vortex forks. Stolen plastic ring sprocket 25 tooth. Did I miss anything?
A 360.
360?
360.
Alright.